everybody, it's Alexis here, back with another video. And today's video is a review on Michael KORS. Yes, Michael KORS. I have about 4 items here today, and then we will do a little travel pack with me after we review these products. All right, let's just get into it. Okay, starting off with today's first product, as shown already, this cute, adorable little Michael KORS purse. This baby was about $180 after tax, so around I think it was like $160-ish. This came in a set. It was its own line. There was a bigger version of this one, and then there was like a backpack style and a tote, and then the luggage. But yeah, I just got the little purse because it's so adorable, and I have a tiny little purse collection, I guess you could say. I love tiny purses. I feel like that's really all you need, you know? It's just something to hold your wallet, your phone, and all that. And surprisingly, this little purse can actually hold a lot. I mean, it's pretty, I guess not big, but like it actually fits a lot because I fit my wallet in here, like my headphones, all that jazz. My phone fits in here perfectly, you know. If you want to see a video of what's in my day-to-day bag, you know, just let me know. It comes with a little side pocket right there on the side. You know, pretty cute. There's a strap that goes around. It makes it a crossbody, which we all love, but personally I like to hold my bag just as so. But if I'm doing a lot of walking or something, then, you know, the crossbody's nice. From shopping a lot and I need my hands to hold stuff. But yeah, I just thought it was adorable with like the detailing of the MK and the little belt detail. Super cute. We love that. And then I got this cute little red MK wallet, as you can see. It's just a little trifold, just opens up and you put your money back there, and it has a few slots for your cards. I'd say about 5, and it snaps, and there's a little spot that zips for some coins and whatnot. And it's really nice and sleek and slim. Matches this bag perfectly, and that's what I like to use together. And then next we have this cute little traveling bag. It's like a, put your toiletries in, not your liquids if you're going on a plane though, but like your powder makeup, your makeup brushes. You could put makeup wipes in here, you know, your razor, all that jazz. It's pretty big. It has like this nice little strap on it. It's black. It has like these little grooves in it like this that you can like put your like little soap bottles in. But obviously if you're going on a plane, it has to be in clear bags. So if you're going on like a road trip or like maybe a bus trip or something, then, you know, you can put your liquids in here and put it on the side, which is super cute. And it's really big. Like this fits everything. It's honestly like a little too big, but you know, we can never have too much space. But yeah, this was about $100. Yeah, that I got this for free actually, because I bought a suitcase and it was just a really big sale, so they just threw this in there, you know, complimentary. But normally it would be $100. Personally, it's great. It's black, you know, go with everything. What's not to love? And then I got this really cute purse. It came with its own cover. Love this purse. And yeah, it's one of the accordion ones, like the little mini one. This also comes with a strap that makes it crossbody, which we love. And it's just, you know, that perfect little black purse that, you know, everybody needs. And it has a pocket in the middle that zips. I'm gonna show you that, you know. And then it like, you know how like when you fill up a purse and it gets fat and then it looks fat, like it's gonna explode? This purse doesn't do that, which it's so nice. But I'd say the only thing is it doesn't like zip the sides. It's like loose, but it like holds it together. It just like expands, but it doesn't look fat, which I feel like that's amazing when you can fit a lot but it looks like you're just, you know, carrying nothing. And then on like the side right in here, it has like 3 slots for like credit cards or something, which I thought was cool. You know, your everyday card or debit card, you could just stick in right there. Or when you're getting maybe some food in the drive-thru and you don't have time to get your full wallet out, you can just stick it in there and you know it'll be like safe and secure, which was really cool. And all in all, really nice leather. Beautiful. I mean, it's just, this is like the black purse I needed, and it was like 200 something. It was on sale. It was normally more. That's another really great thing. When their stuff is on sale, the sales are worth it. Like, girl. Which, yeah, and it was just like the perfect bag that I needed. So I use it a lot. I mean, I've already used it, you know. And now what you've all been waiting for. Ba, 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 ba. The suitcase. See, it matches this little bag, you know, on the line. It's perfect. And if you see right here, my airline damaged my bag. Yes, I tried filming this video many times before I went on my trip. And well, the quality of that take wasn't good, so I'm refilming it. But if you're wondering why there's little marks on the bag, that's why. If you want to know the real story on how my airline almost lost my suitcase, well, that could be a video. Just comment below what you guys want to see. Anyways, so this suitcase was, I would say, almost $400. It's beautiful. Like, it's really a beautiful suitcase. But we're going to switch the camera angle and get you a nice close-up, and we'll be right back with that. Stay tuned. So here's the suitcase on the ground. I just wanted to lay it down for you to see it better. And there's a pocket that goes right in down here with the zipper. And it has 4 wheels. And we'll just... And there's also the same front zipper on the back side. Just move it over there a little bit. And this side, I would put my socks right here and my underwear right there. And flipping it over. Nope, there's a sock for you. I would definitely go ahead and put shoes on this side, and this comes up if your shoes are dirty and you want to put them under. And then I would put my toiletries right there, and my hair stuff like my hairbrush and all of that. And if you wanted to bring another pair of shoes, you know, I'd also put on that side, and then I would zip this up, so then this would be full with toiletries, hair products, shoes, and then underwears, bras, and the panties of the packing stuff. And then on the other side, which we will move it over so you can see, it has this nice little clip in to keep everything tight and secure. It's pretty deep on both sides, and this is where I would pack my clothes. So if you know, have about a week or so vacation, I would take some of my pants as so, and I would wrap them, and I would just stick them as tightly as I could in the corners. And we will get more clothing so I can really show you how to pack for a week's trip in a carry-on, which is also very useful because nobody wants to check a bag unless you get free points out of it or something. And then you get some more pants up in here. So some thick sweats, some jeans, and we'll throw in a pair of leggings. You know, if you're going somewhere a little chillier for your vacation and you need all of that, we'll just put those on top. And then we will throw in a few shirts. I would just suggest to make sure you roll everything super tight, because that is how you're gonna fit it all. Put some sweaters in there. Now, this is not what I took on my following trip before. I went somewhere sunny, but I put all those clothes away, considering where I live, it's pretty chilly now. You know, like 32 degrees in the morning type cold. So we have 3 nice sweaters in there, which will cover it. And then we'll put this one on the top. And I mean, that's about a 4 or 5 day trip, you know, working with that. It's cold. And then usually like the main jacket I have, I'd wear on the plane or put it in my carry-on. And I mean, yeah, if you're just going on like a comfy trip and you're good to go, and then you would just snap it, and then yeah, so that's how I'd pack. I like to like pack very like versatile things, so like maybe like a bunch of shirts that go with the same pair of pants, you know, so you're keeping it like lower on the pant end, because if you can bring maybe only 3 pants and like wear them twice and then make sure everything kind of goes together, but yet it's still like different, you know, that way you can bring less stuff but still mix up the outfits. But I mean, yeah, that's all I would do. But I'm just gonna take the clothes out because I mean, I'm not going on a trip anytime soon, but yeah, that's really how I would pack. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. But yeah, that's the suitcase. Very nice and cute. I did already travel with it, as I said. And I fit, since it was a summer vacation, like a really sunny one, I was able to fit like 2 weeks worth of clothes, and I did not need 2 weeks worth of clothes for a 1-week trip. So I mean, it's really easy to pack with summer clothes because they roll up smaller. And yeah, that's the suitcase. So we're gonna just go back and flip angles real quick, and I'll be right back with you guys. So yeah, that's the video for today. I hope you enjoyed that. That was the suitcase I got. Michael KORS, super cute, fun, really easy and practical for traveling. I love it. It has a nice little name tag on it, which I can show you right there. Super cute. And it actually comes with a lock to lock it. So if you want to lock your stuff, if you're going somewhere, you know, around the world and you want to lock it, comes with that, which is what I thought was cool. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed that video. That's how I travel and pack, and that was my review on my Michael KORS collection. Love all their pieces. Will definitely be shopping with them. You should too. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next one, and I'll see you then. Bye, guys.